Welcome back, my dears. You've rejoined me here at Menopause Taylor University. I just love giving you the menopause education you deserve. As you know, I teach you about a lot more than just menopause, and I do it all in well-ordered units, just like real school. So we're tackling a unit on metabolism, weight gain, and cravings. And we're in the part of the unit that presents all your options for weight management. Well, weight management amounts to preventing weight gain or losing the weight you've already gained. The previous management option tutorials in this unit have addressed dieting for weight management, exercising for weight management, and lifestyle for weight management. So this is video number 516, and it is on menopause hormone replacement therapy for weight management. Now, I explain this in my book in chapter 24. The whole chapter is on weight gain, but you'll get more detail here. Now, the very title of this video is Menopause Hormone Replacement Therapy for Weight Management. In other words, using hormone replacement at menopause to avoid weight gain. If you're furrowing your brow, it's because you have the same misinformation that most women have. And that's unfortunate because while you're dwelling on misinformation, you're getting a big midsection. I hear woman after woman claim that HRT for menopause causes weight gain, and that's just plain loony. So stay tuned to this tutorial and learn the truth. Let's begin at the beginning. Long ago, I taught you that even though menopause is common, it's not natural. It's as certain as death and taxes. If you live long enough, you're going to experience menopause. But menopause is not part of Mother Nature's plan for animals. Mother Nature intended for us to die. Other animals don't have menopause. They have birth, reproduction, and death. But because of all our medical and scientific advances, we human females are outliving our ovaries. So you live, but your ovaries die. And your ovaries produced a vital hormone that was your fountain of youth. It kept you young on the inside and the outside. Which hormone did all that? Estrogen. Menopause is, by definition, estrogen deficiency. Well, I began this unit by telling you that your body is programmed for primitive human life on Earth. And primitive humans lived very short lives that were full of threats to survival. So your body has innate reactions to anything that poses a real or supposed threat to survival. And the reaction is the same regardless of the threat. Your body slows its metabolism and stores as much as possible in the form of fat, mostly in your midsection. So, if you weren't supposed to live long enough to outlive your ovaries, and you lose your vital estrogen, do you think your body might just react to all of that with its innate reaction for threats to survival? Well, of course it will. So, slow metabolism and weight gain are both results of estrogen deficiency. This is why most women notice a very predictable pattern of weight gain at menopause. The problem is that most of them do not know hardly anything about menopause itself. Most do not recognize the beginning of the pattern until it's a bit late and they've already gained a bunch of weight. So here's how it goes. It starts at the beginning of perimenopause. You notice that it's much more difficult to just maintain your weight. with no change of diet or exercise, you start to gain weight. Well, perimenopause can last for 2 to 10 years, and all the while, your body is getting better and better at slowing its metabolism and storing as much as possible in the form of fat, mostly in your midsection. So, it's a long-term process. Then, as you lose more and more estrogen, you start gaining more and more weight. And with the weight gain comes muscle loss. And before you realize that all of this is due to menopause itself, you have gained a significant quantity of weight. Well, here's the catch. While your weight gain may be everywhere, the most common site of weight gain is your belly. And belly fat is bad fat. Its medical term is visceral fat. Visceral fat is belly fat that surrounds your abdominal organs. It's killer fat. So menopausal women complain of gaining weight in their bellies. You know, it's kind of symbolic that I use this homemade blubber belt as a prop for visceral abdominal fat because, it kind of looks like those belts of dynamite that suicide bombers wore, doesn't it? And what do you know? The visceral abdominal fat that collects in your belly at menopause is deadly, just like the belt of dynamite. So, this is our depiction of what happens to your sex hormones at the time of peri and post-menopause. This is premenopause, before you ever start losing your sex hormones. That's when it's easy to maintain your weight. This red rope will represent weight gain. So, we're going to make it like this because your weight is nice and stable during premenopause. Hold on here. There we go. Nice and stable. This is perimenopause, all this in here. It's when your weight gaining begins. So this is where your weight starts increasing. Well, this here is postmenopause. It's where your weight gain gets completely out of control and can become deadly. You get heavier and heavier and heavier. Okay, so let's say you figure out along the way that you're going through menopause. Now, most women do not connect the dots between weight gain and menopause itself. And that's because the only thing women talk about with regard to menopause is hot flashes. So without realizing that menopause itself causes weight gain, some women start taking hormone replacement therapy, or HRT. But your doctor's guidelines for prescribing HRT direct your doctor to give you the lowest dosage. And the only parameter for which they'll give you HRT is hot flashes. Well, this is a big problem. Why? Because you're gaining weight due to estrogen deficiency. And estrogen deficiency causes 22 symptoms, only one of which is hot flashes. And some women with estrogen deficiency do not have hot flashes. And in order to prevent or stop the weight gain, you have to take enough estrogen for your body to know that there's no threat to its survival. But the lowest dosage of HRT is not nearly enough to accomplish that end. So what happens? You continue gaining weight. And to what do you attribute your weight gain? HRT. This is just completely backward. The reason you're gaining weight is because you need more HRT. HRT is the only thing that can prevent or stop your weight gain. But when you blame the HRT for the weight gain instead of increasing it to prevent the weight gain, you lose everything except weight. Back in your pre-menopausal life, your body produced a bucket of estrogen, and you did not have uncontrollable weight gain then. Your perimenopause started when your bucket of estrogen had dwindled down to a big water bottle of estrogen, and that's when your weight gain began. Birth control that contains estrogen provides a big glass of estrogen. And HRT for menopause provides only drops of estrogen. Well, if this bucket of estrogen prevented weight gain, how in the world can this dropper of estrogen cause weight gain? It can't. You know, human behavior is really odd sometimes. We tend to demonize or praise the wrong things for the wrong reasons. You've seen many examples of this during your lifetime. In the early 20th century, you witnessed the praising of tobacco smoking. Despite decades and volumes of evidence to the contrary, the tobacco companies and the public chose to ignore the fact that smoking cigarettes was a health hazard. Claiming that smoking was harmless was the biggest scam of the early 20th century. And then in the late 20th century, you witnessed the demonizing of fat as a cause of obesity. Despite numerous studies to the contrary, the medical industry and the public chose to ignore the fact that the low-fat movement actually made people fatter. Claiming that eating fat makes you fat was the biggest scam of the late 20th century. Well, here we are in the 21st century. And now you're witnessing the demonization of HRT for menopause as a cause for weight gain, among many other false accusations. Your own body produces the hormone estrogen. Throughout the 30 or 40 years that your body produces it, you have no weight problem. But when your body stops producing it, your weight gain problems begin. And yet, women blame HRT for their weight gain. It's insane. Well, claiming that HRT makes you fat is the biggest scam of the 21st century. The bottom line is really simple. If your estrogen isn't right, your weight will not be right. Nothing can compensate for what estrogen did with regard to your weight. Now this is my homemade Play-Doh graph of just a single menstrual cycle. Here's the time just before the next cycle begins. It's the time associated with what we call PMS, for premenstrual syndrome. In other words, it's the 2 to 3 days just before your monthly bleeding begins. And most women will tell you that those 2 to 3 days of PMS include some weight gain. And notice that these 2 to 3 days of PMS are when your estrogen is at its lowest. So just a couple of days of low estrogen are enough to cause a bit of weight gain. Well, if just 2 to 3 days of low estrogen are enough to cause a little weight gain, imagine what half a lifetime of no estrogen can do. Reflect again on our menstrual cycle graph. Notice this peak of progesterone just before the typical time of PMS, which is here or here. Well, progesterone is the sex hormone that causes you to gain weight. So the peaking progesterone sets the whole PMS weight train in motion. Ultimately, the temporary weight gain of PMS is a result of both peaking progesterone and plummeting estrogen. So if you gain weight on HRT, it could be due to your dosage or kind of progesterone. But for heaven's sake, design your menopause management by focusing on estrogen, not progesterone. The very first thing you should do if you gain weight on HRT is ensure that you have enough estrogen. Estrogen deficiency is the very definition of menopause, and it's the very cause of weight gain. Progesterone is just a piggyback, and it's only necessary if you still have a functional inner uterine lining. If you have weight gain on HRT, be sure to schedule a consultation with me so that we can troubleshoot it and find your sweet spot. So what we have now is a very strange situation. Menopausal women are gaining weight because they are losing their estrogen. But demonization of HRT is making them unwilling to take estrogen replacement for menopause. So what do they do instead? They take the new medications for weight management. There is a huge craze over the brand new medications for weight management. The problem is that they do not target hormone deficiency, the one that created weight gain in the first place. And get this, women who take a medication for weight management along with HRT lose a lot more weight than women who take a medication for weight management without HRT. And this harkens back to the fact that estrogen loss causes weight gain. So if you don't get your estrogen right, you won't get your weight right. A medication for weight management cannot compensate for the fact that your body is gaining weight in response to estrogen deficiency. Wouldn't it be wonderful if there was as much of a craze for HRT as there is for the new medications for weight management? Do you see the irony here? Here's the key. Until you get your estrogen right, nothing will be right. It's that simple. You are Mama Bear. Your hormone is estrogen. It is at the foundation of your entire being. And without it, your body is going to react by slowing your metabolism and storing as much as possible in the form of fat, mostly in your midsection. So while other weight management options may or may not work, the very reason for your weight gain begins with estrogen deficiency. So this message is very direct. There's nothing complicated about it. And it is the simple fact that because your weight gain at menopause is caused by estrogen deficiency, you have to take enough estrogen to prevent weight gain. Unfortunately, the dosage of estrogen that most doctors prescribe and most women take is not enough to prevent or stop your weight gain. So if you gain weight on HRT, you don't have enough HRT. Remember this. So the lesson of this tutorial is short and sweet. This is so even though the topic of the tutorial is heavy and horrible. Women hate weight gain. But if you hate the hormone that can prevent your weight gain, you're doomed. So is estrogen essential or is it evil? If you view it as essential and you replace it adequately, you won't have a weight problem. If you view it as evil and you do not replace it adequately, you will have a weight problem. If you have any problem whatsoever with weight gain, please schedule a consultation with me at menopausetailor.me. I'll help you achieve your personal weight goals, and I can help you no matter where you live because I do them all online. And another thing you can do no matter where you live is subscribe to my channel and newsletter. They will not weigh you down, but they will help you keep your weight down. And of course, you can follow me on social media no matter where you live too. Please come back in a week and I'll teach you about your digestive hormones. It'll be a foundation for understanding the medications for weight management later on. Until then, bye-bye.